Okay, I got my green light on, so that means I've got power. So now I'm just going to come over and run this other wire to the other side. I'm just going to run it right through here. That way everything's nice and out of the way. You know, for us perfectionists. Lay here for just a minute. All right, and then I'm going to come over here and grab my Ringz. Now you want to make sure that you have the passenger side one and the driver side one. The reason you'll know is because the way the notches are. This one's for the passenger side and that one's for the driver's side. So I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to go ahead and tuck my wire under. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove my adhesive tape. I'm just going to go ahead and stick it right on in there. And they fit nice and tight down in there, so. I'm just going to come back and find my wire. Of course, when you're short, sometimes that's kind of hard. There it is. Okay, I'm going to take some shrink wrap, put that on. And then I'm just going to hook it in. I'm going to make sure my arrows line up. So I have an arrow here and I have an arrow here. I'm just going to put that on. So there's one. And I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing with the second light. So I'm going to go ahead and tuck this under. And as you can see, we have power to the first light. So we're doing great so far. Going to get this adhesive peeled off. Get my light stuck in there. Stick my hand back under there and try to find the wire, so bear with me. Oh, that one was a lot easier to find. Okay, I'm just going to take my shrink wrap again and put it on. Make sure my arrows match up, and they do. So I'm going to go ahead and hook that up. Find my shrink wrap again to make sure that my shrink wrap is completely covering both sides. And then I'm going to come back and melt that together with a lighter, but I'll do that later. Okay, now I'm just going to come over and do the other side. Start on the driver's side. Far side, excuse me. So I'm going to stick this under. Take off my adhesive. Stick the ring in. I'm just going to reach down and try to locate my wire, which is just a little tighter on this side because I have a shaker hood. just bear with me while I look for that wire. Okay, I'm just gonna keep looking for that wire.